setup today, so I'm super excited to see how I do. I think I totally went off course. I don't know where I messed up. Huh.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the video. Hope you guys are all having a great day. We are out here at the third Time Attack event of the year. We've got the Evo out here. We've also got Austin's Evo. We've got Dale's SI over there. And then I am in the Evo. The last track day that I did, the car wasn't tuned. I still am on very not sticky tires though, so I'm kind of sliding all over the place. And if you guys saw that first run, I didn't know where the course went and totally went on the outside, so I DNF'd. It was like a 62, so it was pretty quick, but I DNF'd. So hopefully the second and third and fourth and fifth go much better, but the first run was a total fail. So yeah, we're getting ready to do second and third run. We'll do those back to back, and then the fourth and the fifth will be back to back as well. So we'll actually have time to let our tires heat up and actually get enough time behind the wheel so I can run a good lap. So I'm hoping for 61, 62 seconds. Hopefully I finish better than I did the last time, but I'll keep you guys up to date. Oh, and then Jeremy also came out in his STI. He's got very not sticky tires, so he's slipping all over the place, but he's out here. Got the Evo, we got Austin's Evo, and then Dale's SI. So let's see how we do.
All right, guys, doing the second run of the day. We do back to back, so we'll do the second and then the third, which will be good for me because I'll actually be able to hopefully get a good time and not DNF. So hopefully that last corner doesn't mess me up either, because last time I went outside of it and totally DNF. So let's see how this goes. Bad, 62.9. Woo! I got my adrenaline going, bro. Is that pretty nuts?
Yeah.
You wanna hop out or you wanna go again?
I'll go again.
Woo! That was sick, dude.
That last part is crazy.
Yeah, it is. I should have just stayed flat out now that I know where it's at. All right, third run, let's get it. that really crappy start, dude.
Hell yeah.
Woo! Holy crap, dude. this thing's freaking terrifying sometimes, bro. I thought something snapped when we went around that corner, bro. The wheel like grabbed so freaking hard,
Bro.
Holy shit. Guys, that was sick. Need better tires, bro. Yo, Dino, what's faster, that dude's Rabbit or this?
Definitely the Evo.
You think? Hell yeah. Guys, that run was freaking sick. 61.7. Austin, what'd you get?
I think it's 62 or 63 on that lap.
That's good. How are the tires?
They're good.
Pretty good.
I'm
Austin,
having problems with my shifter linkage right now.
you what?
I'm having problems with my shifter linkage.
Oh, is it popping out again?
Yeah, so I'm like third and fourth.
Dang it. Yeah, Austin's got the R888s on his and they're super sticky. You guys can probably hear in the video, these tires are not good for out here. And I really messed up that first section. I swung way too wide and then I tried popping it in first and had too much power and just not enough tire driver. So second and third run went really good. Let's see where I'm at in the leaderboard. All right, boys, fourth run and the fifth run, and I'm super excited. Honestly, the last two laps, I felt super confident, super good. Kind of nervous, but sort of excited. It's been like almost 2 hours in between our last runs, so quite a bit of wait time, but hopefully they go pretty good. Let's see how hard Austin can launch this thing. That was sick.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, off the track. That's okay. Keep it going. Came in way too hot. Man, I came in cooking into that corner, dude. That run was nuts. I don't know if you guys saw that, but man, I cooked that corner and just came in way too hot. I definitely need better brakes because these things are not as aggressive as I'd like.
Go.
Ice skate now. Nailed it, let's go. Come on. Oh, dude, did you guys see me drift that? Holy crap, 60.17. Dude, holy crap. Oh, dude, that was sick. Let's go. Oh, man, I'm like a little kid. That was sick. Dude, that was freaking awesome. Hell yeah, 60.17, boys, on the fifth run. Fifth run was my fastest. Let's go. Hell yeah, Evo, let's go. I freaking love this thing.
All right, guys, so my hands are like super shaky, but that was by far my fastest run. That was sick, a 60.17 in my Evo with kind of garbage tires. I mean, they're decent, but dude, that last corner, I didn't let myself let off. I was like, I'm gonna stay pinned in third. I stayed pinned, and it was successful. You probably saw the whole car like shifted, and I had to like catch the drift, but it was insane. 60.17, I'm really curious. Let's see how I placed, because that was the 5th run. So if I got better than like 10th, I'm gonna be stoked. Oh, guys, I'm pissed. I DNF. So I think on that last corner, I'm gonna check the GoPro footage, but I think I hit a cone. That 60.17, and if I wouldn't have hit the cone, I definitely would have not disqualified. So 60.17, really fast for these tires and this setup. I'm super happy. I feel like I'm finally like actually learning how to drive the Evo. We're actually gonna go for a ride in Austin's Evo, because I mean, I've done the review on it, but I haven't ridden in it. So I gotta ride in it and see what it's like. But dude, this car, once I get some coilovers and some better tires on this thing, dude, this thing is gonna absolutely rip. So I'm super excited. 60.17. Well guys, the track day was a huge success. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Worked really hard on filming and editing it. So if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content coming to you guys very soon. Evo did awesome. New turbo is going on this weekend, and I can't wait to see what kind of power it makes. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and I will see you guys in the next video.